Hello, I'm Bill Gamack and I'm the CEO of Multicultural Australia. Today I wanted to take a moment to thank all communities for your work in helping to flatten the curve of coronavirus. It has not been an easy time for any of us. Staying at home has created serious challenges for us individually and as a community, including economic challenges to our households and our businesses. We've all personally felt the effects of isolation, unable to gather with family and friends or to mark important cultural occasions and festivals in the way we are accustomed. Stay-at-home directives have caused many of us to experience loneliness or social isolation. The effect of coronavirus on our mental health is part of a national conversation, and it might be a topic of conversation around your dinner table or at your online community gatherings. It has been tough, but the sacrifices we have made are paying off as the infection curve of COVID-19 continues to flatten and state and federal governments map out a pathway back to a society that is more familiar, though it is fair to say we will not likely return to life as we knew it. At this time, collaboration is so important, and here at Multicultural Australia, together with QPAST, we have been continuing to work closely with community through the Community Leaders COVID-19 Response Working Group and its subgroups, focusing on family support and economic security amongst other issues. We know how hard it is to be a parent supporting students to learn at home, in many cases while still working full or part-time. Many of our staff have been dealing with this challenge too. It is great news that Queensland Schools are gradually reopening, with preps in years 1, 11 and 12 returning this week, with remaining years returning by 25th of May. I want to assure you that Multicultural Australia is working closely with Education Queensland to ensure your children continue to have the best education and the best start to life despite the disruption of COVID-19. Many of us are thinking of how we might be returning to work now that social restrictions start to lift. Together with community leaders, we are exploring creative and innovative ways that communities can come through this crisis and regain employment and a secure livelihood. In the short term, that includes helping people to access support through Services Australia. In the longer term, we're looking at what support communities need to access employment opportunities that arise as the economy adjusts to restrictions lifting. May is Domestic and Family Violence Prevention Month, raising awareness about domestic and family violence and looking at ways we can all help prevent it. Unfortunately, domestic and family violence has also been exacerbated by COVID-19, with people being confined to homes and additional stressors helping to create unsafe environments for many people. We are working with Rails, South's Community Hub, and a range of community leaders and representatives to look at ways communities can prevent domestic and family violence through COVID-19, but also more generally. Domestic and family violence is deeply harmful, not just to the survivors and families, but to our society and culture. And we can all work together to spread the message that it will not be tolerated in our community. From this weekend, we will see further easing of restrictions here in Queensland. It will be so wonderful to be able to see each other again in person and reconnect with each other. But while restrictions are lifting, it is very important we continue to focus on physical distancing, good hand hygiene, and staying at home if you are sick. Please continue to take care of each other. Thank you again for all your efforts so far, that we have come through this and can now look to an Australia beyond COVID-19 is a testament to a strong community spirit and a deep commitment to our collective well-being. Take care, and I look forward to talking with you again very soon. Thank you.